Gig vlog. A gig vlog.
Come take the stage with us. Here's the saxes. And there's the microphone. Right there. And here's Fizzo.
We are going live on Facebook.
Hey, oh, we're live?
We are live.
Well, I don't need this then.
Well, you can do that too.
Sound check. Let's check the sound. Hi.
Can I get a 5-chord intro when we start this?
F#7.
This is our sound check, but the real show is at 1:15 today, so stick around. I'm the king of the swinging boy of the jungle VIP. I raised the top and I had to stop. That's what's bothering me. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back at 1:15 today.
Jungle Book. Oh, sorry, I just bumped you. Sorry, Will. To the stage. There they go.
Sizzles with classy charisma and a fresh new style. Please join us for this special performance by Phat Swinger, beginning in just a few minutes.
Did you hear that? That was great. Welcome to Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival. How's everybody doing today? Oh yes. It's beautiful outside. We've got these beautiful guys walking with me right now, especially this guy with that beautiful hat. And this beautiful hat.
And the beautiful chin curtain.
And the beautiful chin curtain. Oh, chin curtain. All right, look at this. Is that beautiful or is that beautiful? Hi, Disney California Adventure!
And now, let's slip into something a little more comfortable. Costume change, part of this.
Well, we just played our first show, Disney California Adventure. We had a lot of fun. Look at these guys. Don't they look cool? Look at this view right behind us. The Mickey Fun Wheel. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Look at that stage. Well, I sure had the time of my life. And I don't know about you, Will. Did you have a good time tonight? I had the time of my life. You see that? Little Mermaid right behind us. Right there. Guys are packing up here. And right behind me is where they have the World of Color. See those things right there? That's where all the water shoots out. Call them. Hey, look who it is. It's Kat and Adolfo. Hi.
They did amazing.
You guys did a great job.
You liked it? You guys had a good time?
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
We were so excited. We saw you guys and we're like, no way.
That was great, guys.
Thank you.
Love the music.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
thank you. Thanks a lot.
Make it happen, man.
Did you have a good time,
I
Sean?
had the time of my life. What about you?
Yeah, so did
You
I,
set
man.
the sun in Southern California today.
I'll tell you what, your stash sets my sun in California.
Only looks good at night, though.
Love that thing. Wow, what a treat. Hey, Corey, did you have a good time?
Had a great time.
Wasn't that awesome?
Yep.
Man, we're sweating up a storm here. 5 sets today. 5, count them. And look over here. You got the Zephyr right behind us. Right there. You got the California Screamin'. Mickey. Gold jacket. Oh, you can hear the ducks in the background. Don't worry, I didn't step on any.
Hey.
Marco, did you have a good time today?
Yes, I did. Day one jitters, getting them out of the way.
That's right, man. I had a wonderful time.
Yeah.
Hey, we've got a lot more to do, don't we?
5 weeks.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I look forward to it, man. We get to do
awesome.
it all again tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Dave, did you have a good time?
Oh yeah, always a good time.
Well, you sure played great.
Thanks.
Put it there, partner. We got it all on tape.
Uh-oh.
What?
In a second, before we all leave, maybe we could take an end of gig selfie.
That's a good idea. Yeah, let's do it, Marco. Marco's got a good point. Because how could you possibly not want to take a picture in front of this beautiful thing right here? Ow! Mickey just hit my finger. Wow, look at that beautiful night sky. Just soaking it in, working it, feeling it, loving it. Feeling the flow, working it, working it. Great crowd tonight. It's cooled off. See you next time.